Hey, I'm Susan from Project Chaos, and we are burning our trash. Who else is with us? Who are you? Who are you? Okay, well, yeah, that was not very... Okay. Yes, I made a makeshift...
Wait, can I put this in?
Put it all in. Hurry up, I gotta burn it.
Aiden, that's a big...
Oh, it smells so good. Ethan, get back over here.
Y'all burning stuff?
Get over here. Yeah, we are.
Can I do it? Don't do that with the Pepsi box.
Watch out, Aiden.
Can I do it?
Watch out, Aiden.
Ethan. Oh! Ethan. Mama, watch Ethan, okay? Watch him all.
Yeah.
Wait, let's put
but
something in there.
Just to get rid of it. Say it, boys.
Wait for me, Eva.
Well, my kids are so scared of fire, like controlled fire.
Oh, can you get that?
That's sad.
You could. I want to put that in. Oh my God.
Okay. Okay. Be careful. Yeah, they are all crazy, but yeah, and we are gonna get this down before we go inside. Oh my God, did you guys see that? Oh, look at this thing! Look at this thing! Look! Dude, I'm not kidding you. It was following me, dude. That's wild. That is wild, boys. That's wild.
There's blue flames. What? Why is there blue flames in there? That's normal. No, that's not. That's invisible.
It's not invisible if it's blue.
That doesn't mean that it's invisible. I started seeing blue flames though.
Put that icy in thing. You guys, we can't leave this stuff in the...
There's probably some guy thing in it. Can I put the whole box in?
No!
Oh, Diana. Mama.
Yeah?
He's making me confused. He keeps on saying fire and inside.
Hi.
So, am I not
yay. Oh, he wants to put that in the fire. It's okay. I'll get him. We're almost done. So.
What? I don't think you should put that in there. Inside? My mama, don't waste that.
Huh? Take that in there. We're not. Take that in there. I'm not doing it anymore. They think we are. Put it in the kitchen on the fridge. Ow. So yeah. I guess I got little pyromaniacs.